Hi guys, this is Siabonga from Millionaire's Journey. We are continuing with our trading course, our beginners trading course. I'm so excited. We are almost done. We are now doing the touch-ups. Then we will be moving to the strategy which everyone is waiting for. So last topic we talked about risk management. I explained what is risk management, drawdowns, the importance of using a stop loss, the risk reward, and we also have a video where we talked about stop loss and take profits. You can just scroll up on our course where you can watch that video. And then we have lot size usage, and then we had some tips. So let's continue. Let me show you what we'll be doing today. So we'll be looking what is trading psychology and most problem for traders, and how to deal with these problems, and how to develop your psychology, and how to control your emotions as a trader. So today is a pretty interesting topic, so take notes and you should know all these things. Let's continue. So let's start with trading psychology. What is trading psychology? Trading psychology, while learning a lot about the market analysis and money management, is an obvious necessity to step off becoming a trader. You also need to master your emotion to keep your trading performance under strict control of a mind initiation. So as you are learning the strategy, the analysis, the pips, the structure, the nature's theory, the corrective phases, and all those things about the market, you need to also master yourself. You need also master your mind. You need to also control your emotions, because where there's money, there's emotions. So you need to try and observe your emotions, how you feel when you're in a trade, how you feel when you made money, how you feel when you lost money. All those things are important aspects that will make you a good trader. You can have the best strategy, you can have the 100% winning rate, you can have 100% winning strategy. I don't think there's such, but you can have that. But without mastering your emotions, how you feel when you are losing and how you feel when you are winning, you won't make money, according to me. Because whenever there's emotions involved, somehow you will mess up. Controlling your emotions in forex trading is often a balancing between fear and greed. Let me tell you this: fear and greed can destroy you as a trade. Greed will stop you from taking profits, because you are greedy. You want more. Greedy will make you risk more. Greedy will make you overtrade. On the other hand, not being greedy and being fearful, fear will stop you from taking good trades. Fear will stop you from entering setups that you see that they might win, but because of fear, you will miss those trades. Because of fear, you won't trade real account. You will always be on demo. Because of fear, you will always be average, because fear. You are fear to take chances. So fear and greed, these two things can build or destroy you. Any psychological practices and technique can help currency traders to follow their trading strategy rather than emotions. You can have a trading strategy, but your emotions can always mess up for you. So you need to know all these things. I will send you a book, each and everything that you've learned here. I will send a book that will explain deep in details, and I will be answering questions anytime. As long as you are asking, I'll be answering those questions. Let's look at trading problems, and these problems can destroy you as a trader. They can destroy your trading career. Of course, problems number 1 and 2 are fear and greed. The problems you will have to deal with while being a professional forex trader include greed. Remember, I said greed will cause you to trade big lots, will cause you not to take profits even if you see profit. Greed will make you feel like a losing trade will come to profit instead of you closing that trade and looking for another trade. Greed will say no, just stay in this trade, will come back. It's more like hope, trading with hope. Greed will cause you to overtrading. Overtrading is looking for many trades a day, many trades. I take 3 to 4 trades a day. Sometimes I only take 2 or 1 because I understand that the more trades I take, the higher chances of me losing money. But the few trades I take, the higher chances of me losing less money. I don't care much about winning. What's important to me is protecting my capital, protecting the money that I've invested. Lack of discipline. This one can destroy you because you can have a strategy, you can have a trading plan, you can have you can know all these things, you can know candlestick, but if you are not disciplined, you will just be trading and losing money. Say you are trading impulsive and corrective structure. You know that you should look for trades on the corrective structure to catch the impulsive structure. But because you lack discipline, you will try to enter the trade far away from the corrective structure, thinking that the market respects you, it will just follow what you say, and find yourself that you are losing money. Lack of confidence. This one can also destroy you because you can have a good strategy, you can have good money management, but if you don't have confidence, you will always let good trades pass you by. You will always let money pass you by. You will always analyze and not trade because you don't have confidence. Blind following others' forecast. I always send forecast on my group. Every morning I send forecast on my group. But it is your responsibility to see and ask me questions. Why am I saying this pair will drop? Why should I look for sales? Why are your analysis like this? If you are blindly following me, you are destroying your career because you are just seeing me saying sell and then you are jumping in, you are selling. It's like signals, but you don't even want analysis. Right? So, if you can overcome greed and accept that some days I won't make money, some days I will make little money, you have chances of being profitable as a trader. If you can reduce over trading and take few trades a day, if I take 2 trades a day and lose 80 pips per trade, that's 60 pips. You take 5 trades a day and you lose all of them, 5 trades per day, that's like 30, 60, 30, 120, another 6, that's 150 pips. You've lost that 150 pips a day. That's the downside of overtrading. Remember, we don't care much about profit. We care about what we invested. That's what is important to us. The profit is not yours. The profit is yours once it clicks in your bank. The profit is not yours while it's still floating in the market. But the balance is yours. You should always protect that balance. You can overcome lack of discipline when you tell yourself that sometimes I won't get trades. Days can pass without me trading. It's fine. It's not wrong. That's how you can overcome discipline. Lack of discipline. Lack of confidence. You can overcome lack of confidence if you accept that you will lose sometimes. You're trading with a small lot size 0.01. You are risking well. You have a good strategy and a trading plan. Then you will have confidence because whenever you're in a trade, you know I've risked less. I will lose little money. My trading plan confirmed with me, and I understand that I might lose. Then you'll have confidence. You'll execute trades with confidence, knowing that if I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. Blind following others. You can overcome this whenever your mentor sends analysis. You can just ask that person questions, understand their analysis. In that way, you are learning your strategy, their strategy. You are learning how they are doing things. You are learning their method of trading, other than just following their analysis blindly. You are just jumping in because they're saying sell, you are selling, jump, you are doing all of this. So these are the problems, and I've given you some ideas on how you can overcome these problems. So let me show you other ways to overcome this, how to deal with these psychology problems. Get the right mindset. Firstly, as a trader, if you think you will get rich quickly, you should stop trading, because it doesn't work like that. It will take you 6 months, even a year, to learn this thing. It will take you 6 months to practice this thing, and then it will take you another 6 months or even a year to grow your account, to start making real money. Already I've counted 2 years. It takes time. Have great base knowledge. Know everything about Forex before you go in. Know each and everything. This course is the best way, because you have from what is Forex up to a trading plan. You know each and everything. Well, not each and everything, but you know each and every basic information. That's what I meant. Imagine yourself winning. Don't always be negative, but at the same time, imagine yourself losing, because as much as we want to win, we lose. You don't always win, you lose at times. Remind yourself that it is real money. Some people don't think as trading as real money, real investment, hard-earned money. They think this is the game. Someone comes here with a $10 and they expect to buy a car and win. They don't want to save. They don't want to treat this as a business, and that is wrong. You find someone treating trading as a game, while this thing is a investment. Observe habits of successful traders. Those habits include using a trading plan, using a trading journal, observing your progress, all those things. Use a demo account. Practice. Don't just jump into a real account. No. Trade a demo account. 6 months, 3 months. Know what you are doing. Practice. The market is not going anywhere. You have time. Practice. Observe your progress. Observe the progress that you are making. If you are you growing, or are you going down, or are you average? Observe your progress. Another thing I forgot to add here: surround yourself with other traders so that you can ask questions, get answers, see their ideas, but don't follow others focused blindly. If you can't surround yourself with other traders, at least have a mentor, someone who can answer your questions. So, how to control emotions as a trader? Take a walk after each and every trade, either a win or a loss. Take a walk, reflect on that trade. See what you did. Appreciate yourself for being patient. Blame yourself and take notes for not being patient or breaking your trading plan. Stop trading after 3 consecutive wins or losses. Straightforward. If you take 3 losses, stop trading. Take a break. You'll come back tomorrow or next week. If you take 3 wins, you don't want to lose back that money. Stop trading. Take a break. You are staying calm. You are not always on the market. I myself, if I can get 8 winning trades a week, or 5, I'm done for that week. I don't want to mess up. I don't want to take other trades and lose that money that I've made for that week already. No. Do not look at your profit and losses while you are trading. Set and forget. Just enter a trade and leave it. Don't keep on looking at your profit and your loss every minute. No, this will mess up with your psychology, because the market can say -10 now and then negative or +10 in 5 minutes. So it will mess up your psychology. Imagine seeing +100, when we come back you see -2. When you come back, positive 1,000 and then negative 5. So this will mess up your psychology. Be true to yourself. Ask yourself, am I scared? And if you are still scared, go to your trading plan. Tweak that thing. Reduce your lot size. Be comfortable. Practice more until you are no longer scared to execute trades. That's how you can get comfortable. So those are other ways on how to deal with your emotions. How to develop a good trading psychology. So firstly, you need to develop an effective morning routine. When you wake up, what do? You exercise, you eat, you bath, whatever, and then you go to the market, you analyze, and you get few pairs for that day, and you are monitoring those pairs for that day. It's a morning routine. Even tomorrow, you wake up, you bath, you eat, you exercise, whatever that you do, and then you go to the market, you get, say maybe you get 3 setups a day or 4 setups a day, and then you monitor those setups, and you accept that if I don't get trades on these setups, it means I don't trade for this day. It's not wrong, it's good. Never stop learning. It's quite obvious. Never stop learning. Each and every day, read something that pushes you towards being a successful trader. Read something. If you have a mentor, ask them a unique question each and every day. This will push you to being a successful and a confident trader. Always have your losses under control. I always have my losses under control. My losses were always under 30 pips or 30 pips. That's under control. I'm never losing more than 30 pips or more than 50 pips. No, they are under control. They are under 30 pips. They are under 30 pips. My losses, they will never stress me. I know that my 30 pips, if I've calculated, say maybe I'm trading with a small account, on $100, my 30 pips is 2.5 $5. I know that, okay, I've lost $2.5. They are under control. Each and every trade, I'm losing $2.5. That's keeping your losses under control. Keep a journal each and every day. Check your trading. Write down, like, okay, today I took Euro USD. There was this setup. I used this lot. I've lost this much. What is it that I've learned? Cool. Whenever you reflect back to that trading channel, you will see yourself improving because you know that, okay, I lost because of this. I'm not doing this again. I won because of this. Let me learn more about this. Observe others, learn from others, look at their mistake, use those mistakes to learn. Control your emotion. I've told you tips on how to control your emotions. Have a trading plan. A trading plan is a set of rules. We have a video specifically about a trading plan. Lower your trade size. Risk less. That's what I'm saying. Risk less. You have more chances of surviving as a trader if you keep on risking less. So that's it about today's video. We shall meet on the next video. Thank you.